We believe in the power of shared dreams and aspirations. Hello, I'm Dori O'Neill. You deserve to know why I'm reaching out. Like you, I've embraced the entrepreneurial spirit, valuing open-mindedness and the journey of self-employment. Because connection matters, I'm not here to sell. Instead, I'm searching across the U.S. for individuals like us, those who wish to make a meaningful impact in their communities and in their lives. Rest assured, this isn't about network marketing or any pyramid schemes. My journey as a successful entrepreneur has been about building teams and empowering individuals to thrive. But life, with its many challenges, like my recent battle with long-term COVID, has taught me the importance of adaptability and resilience. We picture a world where communities are protected, small businesses flourish, and innovative income streams are discovered. I'm excited to share this vision with you. If this resonates, let's connect. Click the button below, drop me a message, and let's find a time to chat. Whether we embark on this journey together or simply forge a new connection for future ventures, I value our shared spirit. Thank you for your time, and I hope our paths cross soon. Wishing you a wonderful day ahead.